Dusty signs and fading lights, whispers haunt the empty night. Every mile's a memory, every shadow talks to me. This is the end of the road, where the echoes turn to stone. No more races left to run, just the wind and the setting sun. This is the end of the road, where the ashes find their home. Lay your burden in the dust, let the rust forgive the rust. Hands that held the steering tight now surrender to the night. Tires hum a lonesome tune beneath the cold and careless moon. The maps are torn, the gas is low, the stars don't know which way to go. This is the end of the road, where the echoes turn